Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and informative product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you food enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the best-kept secret for adding incredible flavor to your grilled vegetables, the Gourmet Vegetable Seasoning by RunninWild Foods. This 5.7-ounce jar of flavor-packed goodness is making waves in the culinary world. If you're looking to elevate your grilled vegetable game, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love discovering amazing products like this one. Now, let's talk about what makes this gourmet vegetable seasoning so special. First off, it's all about the ingredients. This seasoning is a blend of real dehydrated onion and garlic, a mix of carefully selected spices, organic cane sugar, and a touch of dill weed. No artificial flavors, no MSG added, just pure, natural goodness. And trust me, the aroma that hits you when you open this jar is mouthwatering. It's like a burst of flavor waiting to happen. Now, let's get into the versatility of this seasoning. Whether you're grilling, sautéing, stir-frying, or even steaming your veggies, RunninWild's Gourmet Vegetable Seasoning has got you covered. It takes your ordinary vegetables and turns them into culinary masterpieces. Just pop open a bottle, shake it on your veggies, and watch the magic happen. It's so versatile that you can even mix it with sour cream for a delicious veggie dip. You can also use it to spiff up your potatoes, add some zing to your popcorn, or drizzle it over your salads. Now, let's talk about the brand, RunninWild Foods. These guys have a passion for creating top-notch seasonings and meat snacks right here in the USA. They take pride in using only the finest ingredients to deliver a rich and full-flavored experience in every jar. With a wide range of seasonings and rubs, they've become a household name for anyone who loves good food with bold flavors. They're all about bringing people together around a grill, enjoying meals that are well done in every sense. Speaking of grilling, let me share a quick recipe idea with you. How about some grilled seasoned corn? All you need are some ears of corn, butter, and, of course, RunninWild's Gourmet Vegetable Seasoning. It's a simple yet amazing dish that your guests won't forget. Just grill the corn, shave it off the cob, add butter and a generous sprinkle of the seasoning, and you're in for a treat. It's the perfect summertime recipe that's quick and easy to make. So there you have it, folks, the Gourmet Vegetable Seasoning by RunninWild Foods. If you're looking to take your grilled vegetables to the next level, this is the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Don't miss out on this flavor-packed experience. Head over to Amazon and grab your jar of Gourmet Vegetable Seasoning today. The link is in the description below. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews that will make your life easier and more flavorful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on seasoning.